اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم. میں پناہ مانگتا ہوں اللہ کی شیطان مردود سے. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. شروع اللہ کے نام سے جو بڑا مہربان اور نہایت رحم والا ہے. جی نرسری, ریڈ دا فرسٹ کلمہ ود می. پہلا کلمہ طیب. طیب معنی پاک. لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ. once again nursery. لا الہ الا اللہ محمد رسول اللہ. ترجمہ: اللہ کے سوا کوئی معبود نہیں اور حضرت محمد صلی اللہ علیہ وسلم اللہ کے رسول ہیں. Now nursery class, we will read Surah Ikhlas in this week. So please read with me. Surah Ikhlas. بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. قل ہو اللہ احد اللہ صمد لم یلد ولم یولد ولم یکن لہ کفواً احد. Yes, nursery class, welcome to the nursery class once again. So today here is teacher Faiza is here with you with the subject of math. I will teach you math from 9 to 11 a.m. and in this time you can ask any question, any confusion, okay? And at the end I want to tell you that your homework will be the same as your classwork, okay? Yes, nursery class, once again good morning. Before starting our lecture we do some general knowledge question answer. Here are the 5 questions that we do in the last week. So right now I will only revise these questions, okay? I will ask the question and you will give me the answer. Yes, question number 1 is nursery, who are we? Excellent. Yes, we are Muslim. Clap for you, nursery. Number 2, what is the name of our religion? Excellent. The name of our religion is Islam. Now come to the question number 3. What is the name of our country? Very good. The name of our country is Pakistan. So nursery class, are you ready for the next question? Next question is, what are the color of our flag? Yes, exactly right. The color of our flag is green and white. Now the question number 5 is, what we found in our flag? Exactly right, nursery class. We found star and crescent. Very good. Now nursery class, are you ready for the question of this week? Yes. Now the question number 6 is, How many prayers are in a day? Your answer is 5 prayers. Okay. Question number 7 is, what are the name of the prayers? Your answer will be Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Well done. You want to revise the answer of question number 7? Yes. Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. Question number 8. How many days in a week? The answer is there are 7 days in a week. Now the next question, which is question number 9. What are the names of days in a week? And the answer is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Again, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Nursery class, there is no worry. You don't have to prepare these questions in one day. Okay? We will revise in the whole week and after that. Okay? We will ask this question in your quiz. Okay? So in this way, these questions are revised. And let's come to the last question of the week. Who is the founder of Pakistan? It means who made the Pakistan nursery? And the answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Okay? Hello, Assalamu alaikum nursery class. So we start our lecture with the book work. So kindly open page number 5858 of the maths book nursery class. Have you opened? Good nursery. Now come to the upper portion of this book nursery. So what we are going to do here is match, M-A-T-A-C-H, match. We are going to do matching. Okay, nursery class. Come to the first number, which is number 1515. Which is the first number? The first number is 1515. Forget about this line. Okay, nursery class. Find out the number 1515. This is number 15. No. This is no. This is, oh yes. Here it is. So we have to match number 1515 with this 1515. Okay, nursery class. Try to use scale for your neat work. Okay, nursery class. Match this line, nursery. Okay. I have matched this with the blue line, nursery class, and I use scale for this to make my page neat. Now, come to the third line. This is line number 1, this is line number 2, and this is line number 3. So, nursery class, come to the line number 3 and now find 1515 in this line. Hear it? No. This is 1515. No. This is 1515. No. This is 1515. Yes. So now match this 1515 with this 1515. Okay, nursery class, do it quickly. See, nursery class, your teacher matched 3 1515. 1, 2, and 3. Now come to the next number. Which is the next number? This is 1919. Read with me, nursery class. 1919. And the shape of the box is triangle. What is the shape of the box? Triangle. Now find out the 1919 in this line, nursery class. Oh my God. Here it is, nursery. It is on the first number. So quick and easy, nursery. So nursery class, kindly match this one 919 with this one 919. Okay nursery class, I have told you try to use the scale. And you know what is this shape called? This shape called square. This shape called square. Match this one 919 with this one 919. Quickly nursery. See nursery class, your teacher have done the matching. Now nursery class, find out the 1919 in the number 3 line. This is 1919. No. This is 1919. No. This is 1919. Yes. This is 1919. So match this 1919 with this 1919. Quickly, quickly. See nursery class, your teacher have done the matching nursery. Now come to the third number. Which is the third number? The third number is 1717. Put your finger on the 1717 nursery class. Okay. Now find out the 1717 in this line. This is 1717. No. 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 This is 1717. Yes. Exactly nursery class. So match this 1717 with this 1717. Quickly nursery. See nursery class, your teacher have done the matching of 1717 with 1717. Okay nursery class. Now find out the 1717 in the number 3 line. This is 1717. No. This is 1717. Yes. We find out quickly. So match this with this. Quickly nursery. Now nursery class is the turn of the next number. Which is the next number nursery class? Yes. This here it is 2020. Which is the next number? 2020. So nursery class, let's find out. This is 2020. No. This is 2020. No. This is 2020. No. This is 2020. No. This is 2020. I got it nursery class. Have you find it nursery? Excellent. So match this 2020 with this 2020 quickly. Got it nursery? I have matched 2020 with 2020. Now find out in the number 3 line. Oops, my finger. This is 2020. No. This is 2020. No. This is 2020. No. This is 2020. No. This is 2020. Yes. Very good nursery. You are doing very well. So match this 2020 with this 2020. Quickly nursery. Now nursery class is the turn of the next number nursery class. Can you please tell me which is the next number? Yes, this is the 1616. Which is the next number? 1616. So find out where is 116. This is 1616. No. Yes, it's so quick. This is 1616. So nursery class, match this 1616 with this 1616 quickly. Now nursery class, please find out the 1616 in the number 3 line low. It's so quick and easy. It's on the first number nursery class. This is 1616. So match this 1616 with this 1616. Do it quickly. See nursery class, I have done and I'm doing a very neat and clean matching. Okay nursery class, and I am expecting the same from you. Now come to the last number. Which is the last number? This is 1818. Which is the last number nursery class? This is 1818 nursery class. So this is 1818. No. This is 1818. No. This is 1818. No. Yes, here it is. This is 1818 nursery class. Yes. So match this 1818 with this 1818 quickly. Yes, here it is nursery class. Now find out in the number 3 line nursery class. This is 1 8 18, no. 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 This is 1 8 18. Yes, I got it, nursery. So match this 1 8 18 with this 1 8 18 quickly. Now nursery class, shukar alhamdulillah that we have done a very good matching, nursery. Okay, come to the next part of this page, nursery class. So here it is 1919, nursery class. Please write down the 1919 in this block. Okay, finish this part of the page. See, nursery class, I have done this part also, and do the same part neat and clean. Now come to the next page, which is page number 5915. It's very, nursery class, easy. We simply have to write the counting from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sorry, okay, don't do it like your teacher. 7, 8, 9, 1 0, 10. Now which number comes here, nursery class? 1 1, 11, 1 2, 12, 1 3, 13, 1 4, 14, 1 5, 15, 1 6, 16, 1 7, 17, 1 8, 18, 1 9, 19, and 2 0, 20. Okay, nursery class, see, your teacher have done these 2 pages and your book work is finished now, nursery class. Now come to the board work time, nursery class, quickly come. Nursery class, welcome to our copy work time, nursery class. Today your teacher is not going to do the work on the board. I'm doing on a paper, nursery class. Okay, nursery class, so you know, as what we do in the board work, we revise our previous work and then we will start our new work. So nursery class, can you please tell me the spelling of 0? Ji, nursery class, please. ZERO, 0. G, nursery class, repeat with me. ZERO, 0. Again. ZERO, 0. Again. ZERO, 0. ZERO, 0. So nursery class, what comes after 0? 1. What is the spelling of 1? O N E 1. What is the spelling of 1? ONE1. 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 Now nursery class, what comes after 1? 2. What is the spelling of 2, nursery class? T W O 2. TWO2. 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 Excellent, nursery class. Always revise with me, nursery class. So nursery class, what comes after 2? 3. So what is the spelling of 3, nursery class? Yes, we done on the Monday, nursery. T H R double E 3. THR-E-E-3. 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 Nursery class, always revise with me. Don't press the forward button. Okay, nursery class, it's a very nice way to revise. Nursery class, again, THR-E-E-3. THR-E-E-3. G nursery class, today is the turn of number 4. G nursery class, can you please tell me that what is the spelling of 4? F O U R 4. 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 Revise with me, nursery class, please. Again and again read with me. F O U R 4. F O U R 4. Nursery class, today we will draw 4 apples. You know how we draw apples? ये 1 apple, 2 apple, 3 apple, 4 apple. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many apples are there? 4 apples. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many apples? 4 apples. And what is the spelling of 4? F O U R 4. F O U R 4. Now, nursery class, please open your classwork copy so we can start our copy work. Nursery class, I do this only for revision. You don't need to write on your copy. Okay, you don't write in this way in your copy. Okay, this is your teacher is doing just for you to do your revision. Okay, don't do it on your copy. Now we are going to start our copy work, nursery. G nursery class, first we write date. Okay, nursery class. Then what is day today? Can you please tell me? Yes. Today date is 1/1/11 dash 1/2/12 dash 2020. Okay, nursery class. And in the middle of the page, write down class work. Okay, nursery class, and write down here spelling. SPELLING, spellings. Okay, nursery class. So write in the first book 4. Okay, and in the next book put the sign of equal to. And nursery class, what is the spelling of 4? F O U R 4. F O U R 4. Then put a finger in this box and say it with the teacher. Leave one block and write down here. Okay, and put the sign of equal to, nursery class, and write down F O U R 4. F Four. Again, put the finger in this box. Nursery class, please don't take help from your mama. You are big enough. You can do it by yourself, mashallah. Okay, nursery class. Write down 4. Put the sign of equal to and write down the spelling of 4. Four. 4. Okay, nursery class. Now fill the full page and then come to me. Nursery class, see, I have done the full page, nursery class, of 4. You can see. Okay, you have to do it by yourself, nursery class. Okay, now nursery class, draw 4 apples. Draw 5, then 1 curve, and then leaf. Okay, nursery class, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples. Okay, nursery class, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and write down one more time 4 here, nursery class. 4. Put the sign of equal to and then write down here 4. Four. Ghasik, please write down 2 times in the page. Okay, in the classwork, write 2 times in the page. Okay, nursery class, do it quickly and come to me. Now, nursery class, I also have write in this line only for you, so that you can't misunderstood anything, and draw 4 apples also here. Okay, nursery class, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples. Okay, nursery class, and also color in these apples. Now, last, nursery class, listen carefully. This is your classwork. Okay, only 1 page is your classwork. Come to the homework, nursery class. Turn the next page. Write the date over here, nursery. Write down here H.W. Spellings. Write down 4 here, nursery class. Four. Draw 4 apples here. And one more time write down Four. Okay, and fill the full page. Okay, nursery class. And write down 0 to 50 in the other page. Now listen again. Do 1 page in classwork and 2 page in homework. Nursery class, now we have done our work. Do watch the activity. Do send to me. But the activity is not your homework. This is just to make your mind healthy and fresh, nursery class. And take lots of good care. Allah Hafiz. Inshallah, we will meet on next week on Monday. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Nursery class, I hope that you have completed your work and it's our activity time, nursery class. So today what we are going to do, it's cold weather na nursery class. It's cold, snowy weather, nursery class. So today I decide to make a snowman for you. Okay, again I want to tell you, this is not your homework, not your classwork. It's just the activity that we are doing to make our mind healthy and fresh. Okay, nursery class, I already have draw the circle, nursery class. Okay, your teacher is too clever, that is why I use the compass to drawing the circle, nursery class. You can use anything which is in the circle shape. Make one small circle and with one big circle. Okay, nursery class, and now what we need a glue and we need a cotton for that. Okay, nursery class, use any computer sheet, okay, of any color that you want to draw. Okay, now what we are going to, I'm going to spread the glue on the page. Okay, Nasri? And if you want to send me, I will again put on my status nursery class. Okay. Put the glue in both the circles. Okay, nursery class. Now what we have to do, take the cotton in the G nursery class. What I'm saying, I have spread the glue on the page. Now I'm going to paste the cotton on it. Okay, nursery class. I think your teacher is getting confused. I don't know why. Paste is in the small portion, nursery class. Okay, and don't use the thick cotton. Okay, make it thin and then use. Okay. So it get paste easily if it is in the thin form. Okay, nursery class. Paste it and then come to me. Okay. Nursery class, see, I have filled the one portion with the cotton. Nursery class, now it's time to fill the small circle with the cotton. Nursery class, I have said take the thin layer of the cotton so it can easily fix in the glue. Okay, nursery class. Okay, nursery class, please fill the small circle and then come to me. Nursery class, I have already cut the hat in this style. Okay, nursery class, you also cut it. And now I'm going to paste on it. Okay, nursery. Like this on the top of the head. Okay, nursery class. Now cut the tie. I'm using the red color of tie, nursery class. How? Make a straight line like this. Okay, and then like this and then cut it. Nursery class, I have cut these into shape. Okay, it's very simple. And one straight strip like this. Okay, now put the glue on the back side of the strip, nursery. Okay. Okay, nursery class, like this. Now put on the back side of this. Okay, nursery class. Now I have a surprise for you. See, I have eyes, nursery. Now I'm going to paste eyes, nursery class. Okay, nursery. Oops. Now my snowman has eyes, nursery. Oops. Now only one nose is missing, nursery class. Now put a nose. Now nursery class, I have cut a nose, nursery class, triangle nose. Now I am going to put over here. So your activity is nursery class ready and beautiful snowman is ready, nursery class. So quick and so refreshing. Nursery class, do send me so I can put on my status, nursery class. Again, I want to tell you this is not your homework, not your classwork. And please write your name on your page. So my Facebook status must show name like this is Pfizer teacher. Okay, teacher Faiza. Okay, nursery class, have a nice weekend. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye.